Okay, so we're making a load box, and this is not an active load, this is purely passive loads. Got two 1 kilowatt resistors for power supply testing, each 1 ohm, and we were going to do this build your own box thing, but when you start doing this stuff, you start looking at the cost of handles and hardware, and all that stuff starts adding up pretty fast, and you're trying to do it on the cheap. So I wanted to do this for like $50, but you know, it's just not possible to do it for, well, I mean, it's possible to do it for $50 if you got your huge machine shop, but I did find a box that was pretty affordable. So we got a box, and it's louvered, and it comes with handles, and it's easy to throw together, whereas the other one I have to make brackets, and I have to make parts and pieces, and this is a lot faster. And this dude ran me $140. Of course, you got to pay for tax and shipping, but it comes with all the hardware, and it's an erector set. So it may not be as sturdy as a welded box, but this is just basic erector set stuff anyway, so who cares? And we need the load to be, you know, it needs to be able to breathe, because it's going to get really hot. And there's some other things I got to put in here, but this is really easy, basic stuff, and this will be corner cutting, because my time is limited. All I've got are weekends to work on this stuff. I don't have weekdays to work on this stuff, because, you know, work is work, and it takes up all your time. So we're going to get this thing together, and we're going to eyeball where the load's got to go. And we have a power supply and a current shunt and some binding posts and stuff to figure out. So we're going to get on it here, and this may not be a one-day build, but maybe we can get most of it done today. I don't know. We're going to try.